Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Lawless Kitchen. Ramadan Mubarak and happy iftar if you already drink water. If not yet, I'm sure we're almost there. So I got some messages, people asking me, oh, am I saying Ramadan Mubarak or happy iftar? Guys, it's Ramadan, so all the Muslim all over the world are fasting. We are fasting for 30 days. Ramadan is the month where we fast for the whole month, guys. So that's why I keep saying Ramadan Mubarak or happy iftar. So yeah, guys. Anyways, guys, today's recipe is mashed potatoes, grilled salmon, and some vegetables, guys. It's so good, guys. Oh my god, that eating but I'm gonna. Anyways, guys, please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit your ring bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Because, guys, I always have amazing recipes. Anyways, let's get started. time to throw in our salmon in the oven. I preheated my oven to 350, and then I will let it maybe in the oven for like 30 minutes or so. And then that is my potato. I'm going to let it cook for some time because I want it to be really soft. And then guys, it's been a little bit longer than 30 minutes because I was doing other stuff. So I will go ahead and flip it and then put it back in the oven. It's already really soft, but I really know for me, I want it to be a little bit longer than 30 minutes in the oven. It's already really, really soft. If this is how you like your salmon, I think you will be fine. But for me, I will put it back again for maybe 15 minutes or so. Before I was even thinking of maybe like 20 minutes. But after seeing how soft it is already, I'm only going to let it in the oven again for just 15 minutes. Because if I leave it in the oven for too long again, then it's probably going to be very dry. And so as you can see, it's not dry. It's just how I want it. So yeah guys, and then I'll go ahead and add some butter. So keep watching and then you'll see how I'm going to just throw in the butter achiki, and then I'll go ahead and put it back in the oven again for just 15 minutes. And we are all done, guys. Look at that. It smells good. I can't wait to get, to this salmon. It's really nice. So, and then now I'll go ahead and throw in some carrots and some broccoli achiki. I'm using the same stuff that I bake in salmon and achiki. So, that way, I don't have to add any seasonings or any oil. So, pretty much that's all. I'm so bad at eating anything green, guys. Right? Really bad. I'm so not into eating healthy, which is really bad, sadly. So I'm sure I'm not going to eat any of this broccoli. I'll probably eat some carrots, and pretty much that's all. I'll just enjoy my salmon and my mashed potatoes. So anyways, guys, I'll just mix it a little bit and then throw it in the oven for like 10 minutes. All right, guys, now let's make this really nice drink, guys. This is a bonus, guys. I thought we should just make a complete dinner. You have that plate of delicious, and then of course we have to make some drink on the side. So all you need for this drink, you need coconut milk and mango. Pretty much that's all. This drink is really nice. It's not so sweet, but if you want it to be sweet, we can make that work. All you have to do is just add some sugar in there. But for me, I like it just like this. One thing I didn't like for sure was the mango. It's my first time trying this mango juice. It has some mango chunks in there, so I really didn't like that, which wasn't really bad. But apart from that, I wouldn't advise you to get the same brand for the juice. Try to get something that doesn't have any of the mango chunks actually. So yeah, guys, go ahead and see how I make this nice drink. daga ganin drink din nan kun san zai yi daɗi, guys. It's really nice. Kuma also, you know, look at that color, very nice. Anyways, ga dankali na nan ya gama dahuwa, so gashi na ina mashin din shi. And then all you need for this mashed potatoes is just some butter and some heavy cream. So this two, that's all you need. Unless if you want some salt, feel free, you can add some. For me, my salmon was well seasoned, so I don't need any salt achki. And also the butter have some salt achki. Just haven't saba. So pretty much that's all, guys. All right, go ahead and keep watching because after this, we're done, guys. Dinner is ready. And we are all done, guys. Guys, please tell me you're already going to your freezer and getting salmon out because this should be your dinner tomorrow, guys. I can't tell you guys how nice it is, but from the way I was making that mashed potatoes, you all know it was nice, guys. By the way, the reason why I think I was craving for mashed potatoes was I was going through my pictures yesterday, and then I saw this picture from when we were in New Orleans, and oh my god, I had this really nice mashed potatoes, and it was so good at this one restaurant that I don't even remember the name. And oh my goodness, guys, yeah. So what I'm trying to say is this mashed potatoes was very close. I can't say it is the same because no, that mashed potato was on another level, but I tried. Anyways, guys, as always, thank you so much for being here, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and before you exit out, don't forget to comment and like the video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Have a good one.